Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shapes to an image in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top left corner and tap on photo editor. Then we select the picture that we want to edit. Then tap on add, and here at the bottom we find the shapes. Tap on this, and then we can just select whichever we like. Then we can style it, and even use the dropper tool to find the color that matches it from the picture, and then place it wherever you would like. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.